Hello, it's Malia, and I'm here with our 1968 Dreamer Adventure 1. And we are starting renovations today. And my husband is up there sealing the roof somewhere. He's over there, I promise. For the roof, we started out with a power washer and Krug cutter, cleaning it very good, letting it dry overnight. And then tomorrow we will come in with this Flex Seal liquid rubber. Hey babe.
Should try caulking one of these uneven things.
Now that the roof is clean and it's pretty dry, it's the same night, we are going in with Flex glue and a caulk gun. You apply it to all the seams and the edges where it's pulled away over the years and ensure that it's fully adhered together and that there's no gaps. And we'll do this before tomorrow applying the actual rubber paint. Okay, now for the fun stuff. I'm gonna show you guys a little quick tour of the inside. The way we got it is super cute. And we're gonna just go for a totally different look and feel. We're excited to have you come along the journey. Our favorite thing about this camper was the layout. We love that there's a couch and the table that turns into a bed on one side, and then that the kitchen is on the other side and not in the middle. The other great thing was that this wardrobe over here is actually going to be turned into a bathroom because of the way that it goes into the whole front end of the camper. There's just enough space there for a toilet and a mirror and such. This is the kitchen currently, and I can't wait to show you our plans for this retro time capsule back into 1968. Full disclosure, I was going to include a video of the outside until I walked out and had an injury. You guys, these right here are dangerous. Ow. I've been wounded. I fought the camper and the camper won today, but not next time.